If you are a baking enthusiast, you might have thought about taking your baking skills to the next level. We have created a list of the best affordable stand mixers to help you choose the right one. These mixers can help you save time beating eggs and kneading dough, allowing you to make baked goodies like cookies and cakes in large quantities. With various features, including hands-free, increased speed, and time efficiency, these stand mixers help you work efficiently. These mixers do not burn a hole in your pockets and simultaneously deliver all you need for a seamless baking experience. So explore our list to know more about the stand mixers and make an informed decision.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Aucma Stand Mixer. Aucma's 6.5-quart capacity stand mixer for baking is suitable for beginners who want to try their hands at making cakes, cookies, loaves of bread, muffins, and other pastries. The high-performance mixer features a 660W powerful copper motor and 6 optimized speeds that enable users to shift between slow, medium, and heavy mixing. The mixer's tilt head design and dual handles make attaching and removing the stainless steel bowl and other accessories easy. Along with the mixer stand and bowl, you'll also find a dough hook, mixing beater, and whisk and Number 2. Cuisinart SM50BK stand. Yet another great stand mixer on the market is the die-cast metal mixer from Cuisinart. The machine offers solid performance with its 500W motor and features a 5.5-quart capacity stainless steel bowl, which is roomy enough to make bread, cakes, cookies, and other recipes. It also lets you prepare batters and doughs at different speeds with the turn of a dial. As with most stand mixers, this too features a tilt head design, letting you attach and detach the bowl and other accessories easily. Number 3. Cooklee SM1551 Stand Mixer. The unique square frame of the Cooklee stand mixer makes it look compact, yet adds more capacity to the mixing bowl. The stand mixer features a stainless steel bowl that is wide enough to accommodate big batches of batter and dough. Additionally, the mixer's 660W motor and a 10-speed range help you knead dough, mix thick batters, and whip cream at high and low speeds. With the flat beater, dough hook, and wire whisk included in the package, you can use the mixer to perform different tasks and create various recipes. Moreover, the accessories and bowl are dishwasher safe. Number 4. Vivohome Stand Mixer. Whether you want to knead dough, mix a salad, or whip up some cream, Vivohome's electric stand mixer helps you do the job. Its 660W powerful motor, 6-speed control with pulse function, and 7.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl allow you to prepare big batches of cakes, cookies, loaves of bread, and many more recipes. This stand mixer also comes with 3 multi-purpose accessories: beater, dough hook, and wire whisk, which help prep various baking and cooking recipes. Number 5. Lilpartner Stand Mixer. Lilpartner's sleek black stand mixer comes with a 304 stainless steel bowl and multifunctional attachments, such as an aluminum dough hook, aluminum beater, stainless steel whisk, and scrapper. The removable stainless steel bowl makes mixing 3.5 quarts of batters and doughs a breeze. The mixer's 1000W powerful motor with a 6-speed control and planetary mixing action offers different settings to prepare anything from cakes to ice creams and noodles. In addition, this stand mixer. Number 6. Ankarsrum Stand Mixer. The stand mixer from Ankarsrum uses a stainless and carbon steel frame with chrome-plated knobs to give it a shiny exterior. This baker mixer comes with a dough hook, roller, scraper, spatula, single-wire cookie whip, a 7-liter stainless steel bowl, and a 3.5-liter BPA-free Tristan plastic bowl, all of which help in making your baking and cooking preparations easier. The electric mixer also has a 600W powerful motor with self-adjusting speed control to cream butter, knead dough. Number 7. Dobbor Stand Mixer. No matter how many cake or cookie batches you want to make, Dobbor's 8.5-quart stainless steel bowl can handle it easily. This powerful machine features a 660W motor and offers 6 speed options with a pulse function, to quickly and thoroughly whip, knead, and mix ingredients for a wide range of recipes. It features a button that tilts the mixer to provide easy access to the mixing bowl, and the splash shield prevents the dry ingredients from scattering and the batters from splattering. The cake mixer's head includes a shaft that